Learnkinkids!
The Friendly Halloween Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small, cheerful village, Halloween was the most exciting time of the year. Children dressed up as all kinds of characters: pirates, witches, superheroes, and even cuddly animals. But this year, something different was happening. A group of friends, Lily, Max, Mia, and their fluffy dog Sparky, decided to go on a special Halloween adventure. Lily dressed as a fairy with sparkly wings, Max as a brave knight, and Mia as a friendly witch. Sparky wore a cute pumpkin costume and wagged his tail in excitement. They had heard about a magical house at the end of the village where a kind old woman, Mrs. Hazel, lived. It was said that on Halloween night, her house would come alive with the most fun surprises. As the group reached Mrs. Hazel's house, they were amazed to see glowing pumpkins lighting the path, friendly ghosts floating above, and bats flying in playful circles. "Wow," said Max, "this place is so cool." Mrs. Hazel greeted them at the door. "Welcome, little adventurers. Are you ready for some Halloween fun?" she asked with a wink. The children nodded eagerly. Mrs. Hazel led them inside, where they found a room filled with sweet-smelling treats, twinkling lights, and spooky but fun decorations. There were cauldrons filled with candy, cookies shaped like witches' hats, and a big pumpkin pie in the middle of the table. But the best part of the evening was a magical game. Mrs. Hazel handed each of them a map. "This is a treasure hunt," she explained. "Follow the clues, and you'll find a special Halloween surprise." The friends began their hunt, solving riddles, finding hidden objects, and laughing all the way. They met a friendly skeleton who helped them with one of the clues and a giggly ghost who showed them a secret door. At the end of the treasure hunt, they found a giant treasure chest. Inside, there were glowing rings, spooky stickers, and magical wands that lit up with a flick. As the night came to a close, Mrs. Hazel gathered them around and told them a silly, not-so-scary story about a clumsy vampire who always lost his shoes. Everyone laughed until their bellies hurt. Before they left, Mrs. Hazel gave them all a special Halloween goodie bag filled with treats and little toys. "Thank you for the best Halloween ever," said Mia. On their way home, the friends talked about how they couldn't wait for next Halloween. They agreed that it wasn't just the costumes, the candy, or the spooky decorations that made it fun. It was the time they spent together, making magical memories. And from that night on, Halloween became not just a spooky holiday, but the best adventure of the year for Lily, Max, Mia, and Sparky. The end.
Sparkle on this Halloween night, the moon shining bright, with pumpkins aglow and ghosts in flight. Lily's a fairy, Max is a knight, Mia the witch ready for a fright. Oh, let's go on a spooky fun ride, with Sparky the dog right by our side. Magical house at the end of the street, tricks and treats, oh what a treat. We're hunting for treasure, let's follow the clues. Skeletons help and ghosts giggle too. Open the chest, what do we find? Glowing rings, toys of every kind. Oh, let's go on a spooky fun ride, with Sparky the dog right by our side. Dancing and laughing all night long, join the fun in our Halloween song. For treasure, let's follow the clues. Skeletons help and ghosts giggle too. Open the chest, what do we find? Glowing rings, toys of every kind. Oh, let's go on a spooky fun ride, with Sparky the dog right by our side. Dancing and laughing all night long, join the fun in our Halloween song. Spooky fun ride, with Sparky the dog right by our side. Magical
Kids.